Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw another underwater dinosaur, and that is the Prognathodon. If you guys have any more requests for any other different types of underwater aquatic dinosaurs, definitely let me know because I have a lot of fun drawing these. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with our Prognathodon, we're going to begin over here with the eye. So I'm going to start by making a small little oval shape for the eye. Next, I'm going to add a little black dot right inside of it. Right around here, I'm going to make a little oval shape that's going to be a little bit bigger, and I'm going to leave a little opening right around there. Next, we'll add a little line that's just going to go up and down over it. Starting back here, we want to make the top of the head. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and that's going to go right over the eye. It's going to come down to about here. Next, I'm going to bring this down, and we're going to come back, and we're going to go up and down like this. Starting here, we're going to draw this line. It's going to go out to here. Next, we'll bring this down, and we're going to come over to here. Once we have that, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and we're going to kind of go back in to form the jaw. Right here, we're going to add a little curved line for part of the mouth. And in here, we're going to add a bunch of sharp teeth. We'll make them some different sizes, but we'll try to keep them about the same size. They can be a little bit different, but just don't go too crazy with the different sizes. Now, right up here, we're going to make a little tiny dark oval for the nose. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a couple lines that go up, and they're going to come down for some wrinkles. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to slowly kind of slope down a little bit for the back. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm just going to bring it up like this for part of the neck. Next, we're going to start up here and draw a couple more little curved lines for some more wrinkles. Then we'll draw a line that's going to come down. Right here, we're going to take a line, we're going to draw it. It's going to come down, and it's going to come out to here. We're going to make this line go up and bring it back to here. We'll leave some space. Now, starting here, we'll draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And we'll do that same thing, but just a little bit smaller. We'll make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to go up, and we'll come back to here. Now, starting here, we're going to jump over here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come to here. Almost looks like a big question mark shape. Make a line that's going to go up here. We're just going to follow this shape back and bring it to here. Starting out here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go up to about here for another flipper on the other side. Now, here's our basic shape of our Prognathodon. Now we just need to add some different details in here. So starting right here, I'm going to draw another little line that comes under here, and a little line that's going to go up and down. We'll make a little line that's going to come up, and we'll add a couple more little broken lines over here. I'm going to add a few little lines right along here for some details on the mouth.
And then we'll do a couple little broken lines here and a few quick little lines there. I'm going to draw some extra little broken lines for some more wrinkles. And I'm also going to make a few little curved wrinkle lines around here. We'll add a couple little long lines here on the flippers with an extra little line or two. Let's do the same thing over on this side, just a couple little lines with a little extra line or two in there. We'll do the same thing over here, just kind of bring some little lines down, and we'll add some more of these curved lines around here. We'll add a little line right here by the jaw. We're going to add a nice long broken line that's going to travel down here into the tail. I'm going to add another long broken line that just kind of runs into it. Next, we're going to add a couple broken lines coming down here, and they're kind of curved so that we can make it look a little rounder. I'm also going to add a couple little lines right along the tail. And we'll do a couple little lines along the back too. You can always add a few little lines by the face. And there you go. There is your drawing of a prognathodon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.